Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and MS Excel Hub. Today we'll be seeing how to use SUMIF and SUMIFs. Okay, here we have a data of employees, salary, and the company they work and the city they work. Okay, mm. This formula is available under formula section and then math and trig functions. So here you can get SUMIF and SUMIFs. Okay, these two we are going to see. Okay, so begin with SUMIFs. So here we have a data based upon employee salary, and now we need to identify his salary, sum of his salary with respect to company. So salary paid by company ABC, salary paid by company DEF, salary paid by company KSDK. So total of salary, how much they are paying to the all the employees. On a total we need to arrive in this salary paid section. Okay, for this we'll be using SUMIF. So now we'll write the SUMIF formula. SUMIF. Okay, the first one will be SUMIF and the second one will be SUMIFs. So we'll be selecting the first one. Yeah, we'll check the syntax first. If you look at the syntax, first we have range, then criteria, then sum range. So first range will be your criteria range. So where this ABC company it should be checking for, that range you have to give. So in this case that range will be this one, this particular one. And once you select this range, press F4 so that your range will be locked. If you copy paste to the below cells, there won't be any change in your range, or else there will be decrease in one row. It will be again 8 D4 to D19 if you do copy paste to below. If you give $sign before D and before 3, it means that you are locking this D3, and again like same thing with D18 as well. So you are locking the range from D13 to D3 to D18. Okay, so first criteria we have completed, which is where it should check our first argument we have completed. So it means that where it should check our criteria. So it will check our criteria in this given range. Okay, after that, what is your criteria? So my criteria will be the company name, so I will select the company name with reference. So the company name is there in cell H5, so I have selected that particular cell. So as you can see, the formula is bigger, so it is coming to the this okay, let me do escape and I will start from begin. And okay, now we can easily see the formula. Yeah, some if okay. So now the criteria range, where it should check the criteria. So I have selected the range criteria. Here it should check me the criteria, and I should press F4. So we should not forget this particular one. We need to press F4, then give criteria. So again this is blocked. Okay, let me select H6 and I will use up arrow key to select H5. Okay, got it. Now this is my criteria. So here we don't want to do F4. So as we do copy paste to down, this will automatically update. If you want, you can block only for H. That is fine. Okay. Yes. Then what is a sum range? So if these two conditions are correct, where it should take the value and do sum. For that we should give this range. Okay. If it is ABC condition is fulfilled, then it should take this value. Like that, wherever there is ABC, it will go and it will take that, pick up that value, and it will do sum together. Okay, it will add this 46,362 plus 38,99, like that. It will go on and it will check each and every value, and it will add up to the in this section, and it will give us the result based upon this range. So you should freeze this range as well. Okay, because it should not skip the any of the element. So we have selected the entire all the list of the salaries of all the employees. So if you skip one of the employee, then one criteria will be missed. Okay, so done. Now think yeah, we have completed all the three arguments. So argument 1 is compulsory, argument 2 is compulsory, but this is an optional argument. So here you can see it has a square bracket, so it's an optional argument, but these two are compulsory arguments. Okay, done. So for ABC company, irrespective of city, it is paying 3,12,960 as a salary to its employees. Okay, now we'll do control V for the below one. So DEF is paying 2,92,165 and KSDK is paying 2,01,990. Okay, this is company wise salary information we have identified. Now the same formula we'll be using to find the city wise. So for Hyderabad, how much the salary is paid, and Bangalore and Chennai, like that we'll be validating. Okay, so for this again we'll try to write the formula sum if. Okay, and then a range. So in this case our range should be city. Okay, I've selected the city F4, and afterwards it should is H11. Okay, I think it was skipped. Let me extend this bar so that we can easily understand. Okay, sum if, and range will be this one, and should not forget to do F4. If your data is in tabular form, then there won't be any issues. If it is not in tabular form, it's supposed to be locked. It means that we need to press F4. Okay, then criteria. So in this case the criteria will be this Hyderabad. Okay, then you can give $sign before H so that there won't be any changes for the column, but the row 11 will be changing as per our requirement because we have Chennai in 12 and Bangalore in row 13. Okay, then we'll go to sum range. Sum range will be again same salary range, and we have logged this particular range as well. Mm, to log we need to use F4. Okay, don't forget this particular point. Then yeah, we are done with the formula. We have completed three arguments. So first one is, again I'm repeating, first one is an compulsory argument, second one is also compulsory argument, third one is an optional argument. Okay, wherever there is a square bracket in your particular syntax of a formula, it means that it's an optional argument. Okay, done. So for Hyderabad, we are getting the total salary paid by these companies is 2,48,000, and if you do copy paste to below, for Chennai it is 2,02,000, and for Bangalore it's 3,56,000. Okay, now we have seen sum if condition completely. Now we'll move on to sum ifs. So sum ifs itself says that instead of one criteria you will be having choice of adding multiple criteria. So in this case we are only validating whether this is working in ABC company or not, and here we are just checking his the salary paid in Hyderabad or not. In this case the salary paid by company ABC or not. So in the third criteria you will be checking third example, you will be checking you should be working in Bangalore as well as you should be working in company ABC. Okay, both if you complete our criteria is these two conditions to be met, then it should add up to the salary. Okay, so that each city wise and each company wise you will be getting the total. Okay, done. So we'll do the sum ifs. Third one, do. So I had just, if you look at this thing, I have just written sum so that it will be giving me the what are the relevant formulas. To select the relevant one, just do down arrow button and come to the required formula and then hit tab key so that the brackets will be open. We can we can start our formula. Okay. So sum ifs. So in sum ifs, first it will be asking you what is the sum range. Okay. So in this case, you should be giving sum range and have logged this cell. Then what is the criteria range? So in this, okay, sorry, criteria range one. Okay, criteria range one will be city. First, we will be checking city. Okay, I think we have not given comma. That's the reason it is updated. So first, we'll give sum range again and have logged this range, and second criteria range one, and I've logged this particular cells as well. Then third one, criteria. So in this case, the criteria is this. So you can give dollar sign before 2G and have completed this one as well. So if you look at this sum ifs, so this is compulsory. In earlier sum if it's this sum range is not compulsory, but in this case it is coming in for first argument and it is compulsory. And criteria one is also criteria range one is compulsory. Criteria one is compulsory. Now from two onwards it's an optional. So if you have multiple criterias or if you have one criteria also, sum ifs will be working. So some if and some ifs as a one common thing is that both can be used if you have only one criteria, but if you have two criteria, some if cannot be worked, some ifs only will be working. Okay. Now we'll be giving criteria 2 range. Criteria 2 range is company list. So I've selected and F4, I have logged this range. Then criteria 2, so criteria 2 will be this particular company. So I have selected the company ABC. As the formula is extended, we are not able to see this thing. So once you hit enter, this will be automatically adjusted. Okay, then we can give dollar before H so that the column will be correct. Okay, yeah. So I think we have only two criteria, so we have completed two criteria. So you can extend, you can still add some other criteria as well in some ifs. 3, 4, there are so on, some like 200 change criteria you can add in this. Okay, then done. So we can log this formula. I think we have covered all the criteria's explanation. Yes. Okay, now I will just hit enter. Yeah. So in Bangalore there is no ABC at all. So if you look at in a high level also, ABC is in Hyderabad, it is in Chennai, it is in Hyderabad, it is in Chennai, it is in Hyderabad, it is in Chennai. So ABC is not available in Bangalore, so that's the reason we got 0. And we'll do Control D for remaining companies. Sorry, let me do copy paste. Okay, okay, I will make it into comma so that we'll get the salary value. Okay, done. So for DEF in Bangalore, it is paying DEF paying in Bangalore 2,13,000, and in KSDK company in Bangalore paying 1,42,000. Yeah, now we can directly paste this same thing to here, so that Chennai and ABC it is paying 1,24,000 and DEF it is paying 78. For KSDK it is paying nothing. So for Chennai there is no KSDK. If you look at it is in Bangalore, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Okay, it is not available in Chennai. Okay, and now we'll be doing the same thing for Hyderabad. So for Hyderabad, ABC is paying 1,88,000, and there is no DEF in Hyderabad. So if you look at DEF, it is in Bangalore, it is in Bangalore, it is in Chennai, it is in Bangalore again, and it is Chennai. So DEF is not available in Hyderabad. So KSDK. So KSDK is paying 59,000. Okay, yes. So we are done with this thing. And so friends, this is the way we will be using some if and some ifs. So if you have some more doubts on this particular section regarding to some if and ifs, you can post in comments and I will be replying to your questions. Mm. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel.